Hello my dear girlies. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how you can find your own unique makeup style with some simple steps. Step 1. Identify your preferences. Start by asking yourself what you like. Do you prefer a natural, barely there look, or do you love bold, dramatic colors? Look for inspiration on platforms like Pinterest or Instagram, and save the looks that you're drawn to. See if there's a common theme emerging. Step 2. Know your face. Everyone has different features and face shapes. Understand what works best for you. Do you have big, beautiful eyes you'd like to highlight? Or maybe it's your stunning bone structure you'd like to emphasize with contouring. Play to your strengths. Step 3. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different looks and products. This is a process of trial and error. Remember, makeup is temporary. If you don't like something, you can just wash it off. Step 4. Consider your lifestyle. Your makeup should fit into your daily routine. If you're always on the go, you may lean towards a simple, quick makeup routine. If you frequently attend events or work in a creative industry, you might prefer a more extravagant look. Step 5. Take your time. Finding your makeup style doesn't happen overnight. Your style might change as you age, or as your skills improve. That's okay. The most important thing is to feel comfortable and confident. And there you have it. Remember, makeup is a form of self-expression. It's all about feeling good about yourself. Don't feel pressured to stick to one style if you love to experiment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty advice. Until next time, stay beautiful.